Respect. For this artist music.
You respect.
Respect.
Yes.
Oh,
Respect.
they fight out a lot for the plek dun en they leave the battle for the craft. En dat is alles wat ik respect in die man sa musikan.
Dit actually nog may musical history.
Nog nou niet zo ni ma ik praat nou van frame sa pantaw. En ik kan itala pa collaborations weer so. Respect ay.
He's interesting.
Yeah. So have you, Jose, listened to his music yet?
For a few snippets. I think.
Yeah,
You
unreleased.
posted? You posted out of you, yeah. And I like that he's doing music. I respect anybody that's doing music.
Yeah, that's the
First
thing.
point, doing
So, what was the first cipher that you did? Do you say that word like that? Was it cipher? Cipher. What was the first cipher that you did that you realized this is it? This is like real. This is where I want my career to go to as an artist, as a writer, a songwriter, if rhyme.
Speaking under correction, but I think it was 2018, 19-ish.
yeah. I think.
Yeah. We Blaze organized the cipher with DJ Daily, and then he got me, Stony, and Jose to actually rap in the cipher, and I feel like that was the first official one for I think all of us that was there, and it was quite good. And I said like this, no, this is going to go a long way.
Okay. Do you want
For
to?
me, it's like the same one. Yeah, it was hot. Yeah, it's my
Mm.
first one ever. And that's why I started. Why don't I rap? Yeah, so I rap.
Put it in a song.
Yeah.
Whatever you're thinking, you just put it in the lyrics, and you just hear the beat, and the lyrics come systematically. Do you want to add on that? What was your first cipher? Yeah.
Alat alas bakan topi hook fanon sa strat. Basa niya isa na wiyasan to ko pala may. Like pati kumi di mana kan no repi ona mo kakay gi. Sapag pera into correct no frame so guys aba kan frame ba kana para to. You say okay mo ni craft iran sa kupat. Sige. Sige ta balang still.
That's good for coming from him. So